So now I have showed you what slicing is and what indicing is. Go ahead and tell you how do we add sequences over here. And before I do that, I'll just give you one more hint, one more thing. You don't need to know about that in great detail, but I'll just go ahead and give you some basic information related to that. So we can also do one more thing in slicing. Let's say I'll just go ahead and open this once more. I have did a lot of things. Okay, so numbers equals to create a list once more. Okay, so this is the list I have created. Now I want to print all the numbers with starting with 1. So I'll just go ahead and write down numbers 0, 1, 0, and 1. Now you would be thinking that I have shown you 1 indice, 2 indices. Now what are these 3? I'll explain that to you. When I put 1, it will give out all the statement, all the integers that we want over here. What if I put 2 over here? Oh, I can see that there are some things missing. What has happened over here exactly? It is just that when I go ahead and put the index 2 over here, it will eliminate every second number from the list. So what it has done, it will just take 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. It won't write 2. Even though that means it will just calculate the second indice starting from the first onwards. So first this one 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. It will only calculate these. So you can see that the slice indices includes another number. As you may have guessed, this is called as the step size, which is made explicit over here. If this step size is set to a number greater than 1, then the elements will be skipped. Let me give you another example for that. Numbers : 4. So what it has done over here is that if you want every 4th element of a sequence, you only have to supply a step size 4. That means it just got rid of all the 4 digits. That means 1. After 1, 2, 3, it has written the 4th digit. Again 1, 2, 3, it has written the 4 digits. That's 1, 5, 9. If you go ahead and write down, let's say 3 and 6 and 3, it will just give me 4. The reason being that you just calculate the 3rd digit, 1, 2, 3. After that it's 4. So it will just give me 4. And what it has told is to calculate from 3 to 6 till the 3rd indice. That means from 3 to 6, only the 3rd indice, that's 4th. And since we are not allowed to calculate after 4th, we are only allowed to calculate till 6th. I cannot go ahead and write down 8 over here. That is the reason we only have 4 over here. If I go ahead and increase this to 9, then I will have 7. 3, 1, 2, again 3, again 1, 2, again 3. See, if I just go ahead and write this down, I will get 10 as well, because it means that till the end. So if I just go ahead and write down numbers, yes, comma 11, comma 12, comma 13, 14, comma 15, and if I write this down, I will even get the 13 over here. See, now I suppose you understood me. What it does, it takes from the 3rd indice, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, from here, and there's nothing in between. That means till the end, and every 3rd digit from that. It means 4th, again 3rd digit, 1, 2, 3, this 3rd digit, 1, 2, again this is 3rd digit, 1, 2, again this is the 3rd digit. That is how it works. And we can also use negative. The only thing that you need to make sure is that the step size cannot be 0, but it can be negative, which means extracting the elements from left hand side, that is numbers bracket 8 colon 3 colon minus 1. If I write that down, it will start calculating from the left hand side. So what it has done over here is that it has just started calculating from 9th indice, which is 10, but it won't include that. Sorry, it's 8th indice, that is 9, and it has started calculating from that till the 3rd indice, that is 4th, but it won't include 4th. So 9, which is 9th indice, 9th, 8th indice, 8th till 3rd, and it has given me all the details between that. To make it a bit easier, I'll just go ahead and write it down till 10. I'll just write down, okay, so I'll just go ahead and change this to 2. So it has given me 9, that's 8 indice till the 3rd indice, but it has eliminated 2 in between that. That means it has eliminated 8th, 6th, 4th. That means 9, 7, and 5. It has only given me these 2 digits. Now again here we can also go ahead and use the empty brackets. That means, let's say I go ahead and write down over here let's say blank, and over here as well as blank. Then it means from the right hand side everything till second minus 2. That means it is taken a gap of 2 from the right hand side till the end. If I go ahead and write down 3, that means it will eliminate every third object. It means it will 10, 9 and 8 are eliminated, 7, 6, 5 eliminated, 4, 3, 2 eliminated, and then 1. So that's how it works. So I have given you a good quite example as to how we go ahead and slice and index each and every other object over here. These are very useful when you go ahead and write down simple security programs where you want to eliminate, let's say you want to find out some kind of virus in a program, then you need to eliminate specific things. Okay, these are not included over here, so just eliminate that. That's how it works. And I'll just go ahead and show you another example in the following tutorial. And just make sure that the first limit is always inclusive, while the second and the rightmost limit is exclusive when you're using a positive side from the leftmost side. But when you use a negative step size, you have to have first limit, that is the start index, higher than the second one. If you do the vice versa, it won't happen. It may be a bit confusing right now and when you leave the start and index is implicit, but Python here always does the right thing. The positive step size, it moves from beginning towards the end, and for negative step size, it moves from end, that's from the right hand side, towards the beginning.